Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Art Studio channel. This is my first YouTube video ever. So I'll be making the realistic eye in detail. So first we'll draw a circle, a smooth curve with a circle. Yes, just like that. Then we'll take a midpoint and yeah. So we have taken a midpoint and we'll start making another circle for our pupil, our eyeball, and from the outer circle start making a outline for an eye. Yes, just like that. Slowly from below. Yes. So the outline is over. We'll make the basic structure more simplified, and we'll make the outline more darker. Now drawing eyelids over the eye. Yes, from below too. Roughly make that. Now making the eye structure from below. Start drawing. After we are drawing the outline, erase the rough work what we have done earlier. So taking an eraser, just rough. Yes, from here. Don't rough the whole sketch. Just rough the outline like this. And yes, we are done. Just highlighting the rough portion. Now start making the pupil, and from light will come from right side. We'll draw white area for the light. Just shade to look more simpler. Now the eyelashes part. Roughly draw to take roughly draw this the eyelashes, and from below too. Yes, just like that. So the sketching is all over done. Now we'll move towards the shading portion. So I'll be using this 3B pencil from Supreme. Start drawing the outline more darker. Eyelids too, and a downer part. Just detailing the eyeball outline. And from here too. So we have done the outline more darker. Now start shading from upper part, just roughly shade. So this portion from light is coming, this will shade little bit lighter. This part dark. Lightly shading the eyelid too. Now start shading the downer side. Just lightly shade it. Will blend later. Yes. And we are done with shading. Then we just dark the areas, those required. Start shading the inner area of the eye. Lightly because the shadows are coming in. Now start drawing the iris. I draw like the shape of amoeba. I don't know what you draw, but to make more simplifier, draw a shape like amoeba, just like this, and slightly shade it. Shade the inner pupil. Now we'll shade the dark portions. You just need to only stroke those iris areas, just slightly, all over the eye. It's an eyeball. From here the shadow will come. So we have just darkened the eyelid portion. So here we done from outer side of the iris. We'll do from inner side too. Same as we done the outer iris. And the iris part is done. And we have darkened the outlines of the eye too. And we will shade this area too, because the shadows are coming. And the eyes start looking like real, isn't it? And the shading part is done. Now we'll move to the blending. And I'm using this blending stump. Start blending from the upper portion and slightly blend through the lighter portion. And this portion is dark. And slightly do it from here. And from the downer part too. And the eyes now looking like a real. Now we'll start drawing. And now we'll start drawing the eyelashes. Just give a slightly stroke to it. It's from right direction, then give the stroke from right. Here it comes to center, so the eyelashes will come front. And from the left part, the eyelashes will go leftwards. And here we done. From below part, same as the upper part. Just draw little bit smaller eyelashes, because upper part has more eyelashes than a smaller than a below part. And yes, we are done with eyelashes. Okay, so now we just put some details on this eye to make it more real. And yes, we are done. And this is the tutorial to how to draw an eye like a real.